Hi, welcome to Flowers to Impress School of Floristry. I'm so excited for today's demonstration. I love to create something that inspired me a long time ago when I was in my floristry school. I always ride a bike to school and I have a best friends, and sometimes we even ride a bike on two of us on one bike. So I just find this kind of bike and I was just thinking, wow, this would be fantastic for a Christmas decoration on the side, somewhere on the table on the side. So I just have some kind of fruit holder or whatever you want to call it from the wire. So it's just kind of similar materials. So this is my inspiration. So now I'm just using ordinary plate in your kitchen. Yep. I get a little bit more than half of the brick of the oasis. Yeah, you can just put a tape on the top, but you don't need it as well. If you're just putting on one spot, should be okay. I have a interesting woods that I kind of spray. Probably this other part, place it over there so I can really lovely balance. Great. Before I start to basting, I will put my bike in. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. So, ready to go. I have amazing geranium that grow in my garden, so I really like to use that. This is my Christmas table decoration extra on the side of the table. It's final product, being inspired from time when I studied the floristry, from my bike that I ride with my friends. And I hope you like it today video. If you're interested about more Christmas decoration or more lesson, please visit our website. We have over there step by steps how to make interesting Christmas decoration.